How to open digital banking. Go to the Shao website. Click Sign Up. Enter your full name, email, phone number, and secure password. Accept the policy and the privacy agreement, then start digital banking. Get an active Shao Bank card and verify your identity. Enter your first name, surname, date of birth, country, city, and residential address. ID series and number. Upload one side of the document, then the other side. Accept the privacy policy. Confirm your data submission. Your verification request will be approved within 24 hours. Keep your CVV code and use it to verify your financial transactions. Shao Bank, the way to success.